We're here celebrating National Green Skills Careers Week. We've got our inaugural Green Skills Careers Fair. We've got over 50 exhibitors here, everything from EDF through to Essex County Council, all promoting different jobs and green skills careers.
So it's the first fair we've done. We wanted to get learners thinking about greener living, greener jobs, and their carbon footprint, thinking about environmental issues. We had the Mayor, Mayoress, our local MP, and about 1,500 students through the door. We contacted a lot of employers, and yeah, it's been a great turnout.
It's been really great today. We've met loads of students that are all studying all different things, and they're all really passionate about working in an environment that's sustainable for the future.
Hi, I'm Ryan Owers. I'm an enterprise student at Chelmsford College and I run a branding agency. My business is sustainable because it's completely digital. Everything is done online through my laptop or my iPad, for example, and I'm not driving to clients because I can do everything online via video calls.
Hi, my name's Holly Bunting. I work at Essex County Council and we are here in collaboration with Chelmsford College today. We are here because we're helping promote sustainable travel in Essex. So our team work throughout Essex to promote sustainable modes of transport, so that includes walking, cycling, taking public transport and trying to reduce the amount of cars on the roads in Essex. So that means we're trying to reduce congestion and help people make more sustainable, active and healthy choices throughout Essex.
I think colleges is a great place to promote green skills. We have the resources, we have the expertise, not just in what we call dark green skills in terms of some of the technical, plumbing, electrical, renewable energy and retrofit, but also the awareness of sustainability within our life skills programme and our tutorial programmes as well.
So I'd really like to thank all of our exhibitors for turning out today. They've really done well. The stalls have been amazing. I've had such positive feedback from the learners. They've had a really exciting day. So yeah, so for our first event, we have really impressed and hopefully we'll run it again next year.